Hey guys, hey, this is Alicia's Kitchen, and in today's video I'll be making my sweet chili honey glazed salmon, and it's on a bed of garlic mashed potato. On the side we have some sauteed asparagus. Guys, this was just an amazing meal, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this video as much as I enjoyed eating it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notification, and like, comment, and share. And guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Alicia's_kitchen. So guys, for my glaze for my sweet chili salmon, I have some sweet chili sauce in a bowl. I'll also be adding some oyster sauce, some extra virgin olive oil, my Old Bay seasoning, and this is just one of my favorite seasoning, guys. Well, next to the Maggi all-purpose chicken seasoning, oh yeah, this is magical. And also my garlic powder, black pepper, because you know you can't be seasoning fish without black pepper, honey. Like, there's just no way. Some oregano, and you know this gives it flavor, okay. And y'all know I can't be doing nothing without my parsley. I put parsley in almost every single thing, okay, except for my desserts, but parsley is life. It's life. So guys, now I'm just mixing everything together, just incorporating every single thing to just glaze that beautiful salmon. And now guys, to season my salmon, I already laid them out in a Pyrex dish. So I'm gonna season my salmon season my salmon with a Maggi all-purpose seasoning. I'll also be adding some paprika. Now, because this is a bowl that I'm actually going to be baking it in, I'm just gonna remove the salmon and just base the bottom of that Pyrex dish with the glaze, and I'm gonna put the salmon on top of that, and it's just gonna soak up all that juice and all that sauce, all that glaze, all that goodness. Like, it's just perfection. Now I'm gonna wrap that, guys, with a saran wrap, and I'm gonna put it in the fridge for about 45 minutes to 1 hour, just to let the salmon marinate in that glaze and just, you know, yeah. And now guys, that I've removed my salmon from the fridge, I'm gonna bake that at 180 degrees oven for about 15 to 20 minutes, because you know fish doesn't take that long to cook because it has little to no connective tissue at all. So yeah, so now I'm using my white potato. And guys, you want to make sure you wash your potatoes, because I'm gonna do some dirty mashed potato, and dirty mashed potato is practically mashed with the skin on. That's just what it is. So I'm gonna cut those as thinly as possible because I want them to cook pretty quickly, and you know, the thinner the cut, the easier it cooks. And guys, my salmon is finally out of the oven, and look at that glaze. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Whew, y'all. So now guys, I'm flipping my salmon over, and I'm just gonna, you know, base it with the leftover sauce in the dish, and I'm just gonna set it aside. So guys, in a skillet on medium heat, I'm adding my extra virgin olive oil to my skillet. Then I'll be adding my minced garlic. And I'm just gonna let that saute for about a couple seconds. Then I'll be adding my asparagus, and I'm just gonna let that, you know, saute for about a minute. Guys, I also add about a teaspoon of butter to my asparagus, also salt and pepper just to give it some flavor. Guys, the clip for this, I have no idea what happened to it, but what's in this is half and half garlic, paprika, and black pepper, and that's about it. Now guys, I'm just using a piping bag and I'm just gonna pipe my mash on my plate, just a cute little, you know, design. And this is going to be the bed for my salmon. Now I'm just gonna lay my sweet chili salmon on that bed. Ooh, look at that. Then I'm just gonna put my asparagus on the side. And guys, this is just oh my goodness. This was just the perfect indoor date night dinner, guys. Just try this recipe. Don't forget to, you know, tag me on IG, comment, you know, like, share, and, you know, subscribe. Thank you guys so much, guys, for stopping by. Don't forget to, you know, as I said, hit that subscribe button. Become a family over here because it's very nice over here. You'll be getting so much great videos. Like, guys, great videos coming your way. Amazing videos coming your way, guys. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah.